how to fix the lobby invite in EA Sports FC 25. Now, if you're not getting invites or friends or things like that, it's very easy to fix. From the main page here, you want to go into the lobby. Get that by pressing the right trigger, and it should indicate this here in the bottom right hand corner. So once we pressed the right trigger, we should be in the lobby. Then all you need to do is select your social settings by pressing the options button. You can see this again, this time in the left hand corner here, social settings. This will bring up the options here. Then we want to select notifications. Then come down to party or lobby invite received. And you want to select this as always, and you should always get the invites from then on. And that should fix your problems. So that's how to fix the lobby invite in EA Sports FC 25. Of course, you can have it not during gameplay if you don't want to be disturbed, but hopefully that solves your problem for you.